Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add catalog in WhatsApp Business. So at first, just go to the WhatsApp Business. Now just click on the top right three dot icon, and here you can see the last option here is settings. Click on it. After clicking on it, just click on the very first option here is business tools. Now click on the second option, catalog. After clicking it, here you can see add new item option. Click on it. Now here you can see add images. By clicking it, you can add image of your business product. I'm just choosing gallery. You can also choose more than one picture. Now you can name the item here, and the second option is price. You can choose a price. I'm just choosing a random one. The third option is description. It is optional. You can skip it if you want. Here you can see more fields option. Click on it, and here you can see link and item code. You can give a link here, and you can give item code. After doing this thing, just click on the top right save option, and your catalog is completed. So guys, that's how you can add catalog in WhatsApp Business. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.